Weather Service in Chicago has issued a dust storm warning for southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Solmanock, Illinois to near Dyer, in moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, emergency management. Impact, dangerous, life-threatening travel, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 294. Interstate 88 between mile markers 96 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 103. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12 and between mile markers 15 and 30. Locations impacted include West Town, Glendale Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Berkeley, Summit, Austin, West Garfield Park, Lisle, near North Side, Aurora, North Lake, Stickney, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Westmont, South Elgin, South Barrington, Niles, Evanston, Grand Boulevard, Gilberts, South Shore, Armour Square, and Wayne. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakland Community College, Winchester Field, St. Nick Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Aurora University, Benedictine University, College of DuPage,